next. Still, what makes this year's expo even more exciting are the new elements that we have introduced to elevate your experience. First, we're excited to introduce the new expo immersion activities. Happening over 2 days in function room 2 and 3. These high energy breaks are designed to provide you with hands-on demos, real-time conversations with experts, and interactive touchpoints that go beyond the usual. This format is first for NRCE and allows us to redefine networking, and not as a matter of visibility alone, but as a platform for real engagement, meaningful exchange, and lasting connections. Another exciting highlight this year is the Visitor's Choice Best Booth. For the first time, we're enabling attendees to let us know which exhibitors truly stood out and made an impact on you. We invite you to explore the entire expo, take in the creativity, innovation, and storytelling each exhibitor brings to life. Then cast your vote for your booth of choice. You will not only recognize excellence, but we will shine a spotlight on the exhibitors who went out of their way to understand how to connect, engage, and leave a lasting impression. Through the special recognition, you get to celebrate the most captivating booths on the floor. And lastly, in another special moment of this year's expo, we are proud to support the launch of our keynote speaker, Diana Wu David's book, Future Proof. She's with us today, and the book is about reinventing work in the age of acceleration. It's a fitting complement to the forward-looking ideas which we've been exploring, and a rare opportunity for our community to gain insights from one of the most future-focused voices in leadership and workplace transformation. Make sure to visit the designated booth to be part of this exclusive launch during our expo experience. In closing, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the PRA board, especially to our newly elected president, Alice Liu, the NARCE Expo Committee, and our tireless executive secretariat led by Bing Miranda, our Secretary General, and our Deputy Secretary General, Ms. Maya Sangye. Thank you for the months of planning and dedication that made this vibrant showcase possible. Behind the scenes, I know how much work has been done into designing not just an event, but an experience that empowers our retail community. As we continue to grow and evolve, we are committed to making the PRA more engaged, inclusive, and future-ready community. In the months ahead, we look forward to welcoming new voices and the next generation of retailers into the fold. Those who will carry our industry forward with the fresh energy and bold ideas. For everyone here, I invite you to explore, engage, and be inspired. Let this expo be your playground for ideas, your platform for partnerships, and your launchpad for transformation. Congratulations and welcome once again to the NRC Retail Solutions Asia 2025 Expo.